Wait, don't skip away. This is Christia from YUTANK. Do you looking for a reliable factory for the aquaculture fish farming? That is the reason we are here. YUTANK got a really good reputation from all over the world. We have a lot of certificates including the ISO 9001, CE and the REACH test report. Also got a lot of innovation patents. If you want to check our workshop, come with me.
Hi, welcome to our PP workshop. In this area, we will produce any products relating to the PP, including the drum feeder, profit schema, biological tank, vertical flow scattula, and etc. So let us move to the next workshop. Hi, this is our stainless steel workshop. We are making the stainless steel drum feeder here, flow rates from 100 tons to 600 tons. This is our stainless steel 316L flexing design feeder mesh. If you want to know more details, welcome to follow us. Bye!